Hi there. This is Maggie Harris, the Activities Director at the Chester River Yacht and Country Club Swimming Pool. I wanted to take a few minutes to walk you through a step-by-step introduction for how to create reservations online using our sign-up form through Sign Up Genius. Sign Up Genius is convenient and is a program that is user-friendly and accessible for the most well-versed or even the most basic technology user. No membership is required to be created to use Sign Up Genius. You are not required to create a username or a password. Simply complete the reservation form online, and that is it. It really is as simple as that. Every Sunday at 11 a.m., a pool email blast will be sent out with information pertaining to the week's activities. A link to the next week's form will also be included within this email, since patrons will be able to create pool reservations up to 1 week in advance. In order to make reservations, click on the link within the email. You will then be directed to a form that looks like this. Within the sign-up form, on the left-hand column of the screen, you will notice the day of the week and the corresponding blocks for each day. Please note that you are only able to make one reservation per day, but can have a reservation for every day of the week if you wish. You can also choose to make all your reservations at once or only do a few at a time. The choice is yours. So I'm going to go through this week's sign up form and show you how simple it is to create a reservation for specific times for the week. So I'm going to look at Monday, and I want to make a reservation for 11 a.m. to the 1 p.m. block, which is block 2. So all I need to do is click the sign up box, and as you can see, there's a check mark within the white box, and that indicates that I've selected that block. So I'm going to do the same thing for the rest of the week. Tuesday, I'm going to sign up for 1:30. Wednesday, I'm going to sign up for 11. I'm going to skip Thursday. So all I'm doing is clicking the sign up button for the blocks that I want to make the reservations for. And Sunday. So once you're done selecting the blocks that you want to reserve for the week, you click this button at the bottom that says Submit and Sign Up. And then you are directed to a new screen that says Sign Me Up. And on this screen, you will see all of the blocks that you signed up for and for what day that you signed up for them and the time. So for each reservation, you'll have to do two things. You'll have to enter in your member number. You will also need to enter the number of people that will be coming for that reservation. So you are not entering the number of family members you have per se. It's the number of people that will be coming to the pool that day. So for me, I am part of a family of 3. So if everyone in my family were coming to a reservation, I would put the number 3. But if I was just coming with my son and I would put the number 2. Make sense? So I'm going to enter my member number in. And then I'm going to enter the number of people that will be attending that block. So like I said, I'm going to enter in the number that I would anticipate. So it's going to be 3. The other thing I'll mention, if you're bringing a guest, that will also be reflected in this number. So say one day I have 2 additional family members that are coming that aren't necessarily members, but they're part of my family, I would reflect that in the quantity. And then there's going to be this last box down here where it says first names of all family members present. I would just indicate that on the reservation for Saturday where there's 5, make sure you include those 2 in that. So I'll just show you that right now. So Matt, Jack, and Maggie. And then I'm going to say for Saturday, it's going to be Anna and Annie, our guests. Okay. So that's going to indicate to the lifeguard who those people that are coming on Saturday are, in addition to the family members coming. So as you can see here, I'm actually already signed in. I have created an account through Sign Up Genius, but if you didn't, all you would do is you'd be asked to type in your email, and that is for your benefit, because by providing your email, you will get a notification for each of your reservations a day in advance of the reservation. So for instance, for this Monday reservation, you would get an email Sunday night that says you've made a reservation for 11 a.m. to swim. Please be there. So it's a great way to kind of keep track and remember your reservations. You also are asked to type in your phone number. And that is for if there happens to be bad weather on a day of reservation, that we can call you and tell you that the pool is closed or we anticipate it closing. And then that last box I already filled in. So now all you need to do is click this box that says sign up now. And congratulations, I have successfully created reservations for the week. You will see every reservation in the order of the day of the week. You will see the date and the time and the number attending in parentheses. If I were to go back to the sign up button, or that would take me back to the actual sign in, and now my reservations are actually reflected within this form. And for whatever reason, if you need to change your reservation at all or make edits, you can simply click this pencil button where it says edit and say I need to change the number that's coming, you can do that. If you want to cancel your reservation entirely, you could go back to the form and click the X, and that would simply delete that reservation. This reservation form and system is new to everybody, so it is going to take a couple tries maybe for you to feel comfortable, but I would strongly recommend that you do try and use this form to create reservations. It is so convenient and it does get easier. So please try to use it, but if for whatever reason it's not convenient enough or you just don't feel comfortable, you can call a pool number to create reservations or make reservations over the phone instead. That number is 443-988-1779. So again, you can make reservations over the phone with that number if Sign Up Genius just isn't working for you. And if you should have any questions, please shoot me an email. It's mharris@crycc.org. Hopefully this was helpful, and I will see you at the pool.